Okay, guys. All right. So I will give some time at the ending to ask the questions if you guys have anything. Let me start this new session. My name is Ram Boyapati. I have 13 plus years of IT experience, especially I work for SQL Server, MSBI, Power BI with Fabric and Azure Data Engineering. And I have 7 plus years of IT trainings and placement experience. And I started this eclasses.com a website in 2016. You can see our website portal. This is our website where you can see what are all the courses we are offering currently over here. And also, I'm the managing director of this e-classes established in 2016. It's almost 8 years completed. Uh, and I'm the managing director of this e-classes. And also, I'm the trainer for this all courses whichever we are offering for Azure Data Engineering and uh, Power BI, Fabric, SQL, MSBA Stack, Snowflake. So these are all the technologies mostly we are going to focus it over here. I have nearly 7 to 8 years of IT training experience, and we had a lot of people placed in many companies on this Azure Data Engineering and other technologies as well. So, as a managing director of these e-classes, always I'm trying to provide more flexible to the students to learn as such a platform. We have one platform that is LMS platform. So, what exactly this LMS platform? So, this LMS platform we have a free for everyone. You guys can able to log into this LMS portal. So, what is the advantage of this LMS portal? LMS portal stands for Learning Management System. So it provides for every student to join the live sessions, live classes, and class recording videos access, class recording, video access, and weekly tests, resumes, certification guidance, and also you can able to chat with me directly from this LMS portal. And also we are going to make a group chat as well. Okay, so these are all the advantages of our LMS portal if you guys are login. We have this LMS portal login through web, or you can able to download our mobile app as well. So how to log into our LMS portal? Simply goes to this eclasses.com. I'm just pinging this website. Here you can see on the right side there is a LMS login. So if you're logged into this LMS portal, you will get a free courses and you can communicate directly with me and many other workshops we are conducting, materials, books, many things you can able to get it related to Azure Data Engineering course over here. Okay, so simply click on this LMS login. Once you click on LMS login, it will ask you to enter the organization code SUFKN. That is the organization code you need to enter when they are asking. Then after, you have to go to the registration with your mobile number. If you are from India, use the mobile number. If you are from out of India, out of country, then you can use email instead of mobile number. So we have our e-classes mobile app also. If it is an Android, just simply type in the Play Store e-classes, make sure the spelling. And if it is iOS, my institute. In iOS app store, you need to search for my app, that is my institute. If it is an Android, it is going to be e-classes. All right, so this is how we are going to making of the LMS portal for every student. The main advantage of this LMS portal is comparing to other institutions. In other institutions, daily they are going to uploading the recording videos in the Google Drive. You need to wait until the evening to see the recording class video. But automatically in our LMS portal, once my live class is completed, the recording videos will be saved. And also, in other institutions, you don't have access with the trainer to speak. When you are practicing after the session, you will not have option to interact with your customer, interact with your trainer, right? So that we are overcoming through this individual chat over here. So by using this individual chat, we are going to performing of the LMS login, and you can able to directly speak with me through this chat. Okay, so these are all the advantages of our LMS portal. I'm kindly requesting everyone, please log in, register for this LMS portal right away if possible. Okay, I ping the link in the chat, and also the organization code I'm going to give it while you are registering, SUFKN, that also I pinged it over there. So if possible, all of you please register right away. It's very quick process. Okay, now coming to this Azure Data Engineering. So what exactly this roadmap for learning of the Azure Data Engineering? So the success rate of getting a job on in IT industry depends on two things. One is about the choosing of the right course. Your 50% of the success will be decided based on this one, choosing of the right course. The second one is about the choosing of the right institute or right mentorship. So these two are playing major key role to get the job. The remaining 20% is only your effort. So, how to choose a best course in the market currently? Day by day, the importance for the data is increasing. Am I right or wrong? Definitely. From morning to evening, individually, you are generating so much data. Can I say how you are generating the data? How many times you are watching the YouTube videos? How many times you are watching the Insta Reels? How many times you are logging to the Facebook? How much data you are browsing in the Google? See, this everything is going to be recorded somewhere and saved the data. This is called the data. So data is very important nowadays. If you want to buy anything in online, if you want to place a orders, everything you are doing in online. If you want to book a flight ticket or bus ticket, everything through online only we are doing. So definitely there is a data is generating in the back end. The data is going to be saved in the back end. Correct? So nowadays these artificial intelligence tools, the AI tools are automating many tasks. That's the reason many of the courses are going to be closed soon. Testing, DevOps, these kind of courses in future soon, everything is going to be automated. But for this artificial intelligence tools also need a data. AI tools completely working on AI tools completely working on the AI tools completely working on the data side. AI tools are completely working on the data side only. Okay? AI tools are completely working on the data. So who will provide the data for these AI tools? A data engineer or a data analyst or a data scientist. See, data engineer is going to providing a data to these AI tools. If you want to work any job on the data side, majorly we have three type of jobs: data engineer job, data analyst job, data scientist job. So you need to choose any of one job or the course out of these three. Okay, so after you are choosing this any of one course, either data engineer or data analyst, data scientist, then immediately you have to start your training, then placement. So what I have observed, the many people, whoever is going to learn this data engineering course or a analyst or a data scientist, let's take it Azure Data Engineering course. After completion of this Azure Data Engineering course, they are going to applying for the jobs like a experienced persons. Am I right or wrong? Are you going to agree with me or not? Are you going to apply like a fresher or the experienced? Because 90% of the students in this demo session, 90% of the students in this demo session, what I have observed, they were already working in IT, but it's a different technology they are working. And some people are working in non-IT, non-IT experience, but now they want to move to IT. And some people having a career gap over here. Some people having a career gap over here. IT experience, non-IT experience, and career gap. 90 percentage. So 2 to 5 years of experience range only you are going to apply for the job. That means most of the students, whoever is completing Azure Data Engineering course, they will apply for the jobs 2 to 5 years experience jobs only. Okay. When you are going to apply for these 2 to 5 years of experience jobs, definitely your training should be more confident. Okay. So what are all the things we are going to offer as a part of this Azure Data Engineering training? So the yes, Azure Data Engineering training we are going to conduct in 60 hours duration. Total duration of the course is 60 hours. It's going to be Monday to Friday. We are going to conduct this one Monday to Friday, daily 1 hour session per day, 1 hour session. And also we are having a recording videos every day. Once the class completed, we will share the recording videos, and also daily class notes, and we are providing some sample resumes. One end to end project also we are going to provide. Then interview questions also we are going to provide it over here. So as a part of this training, Azure Data Engineering training 60 hours duration, we are providing for you all these things. The cost of this training course is actually it is 20,000, but currently we are offering for 14,999 only. Okay, so the 60 hours duration of the course, the cost we are offering is 14,999. And then after, inside this Azure Data Engineering course, what are all the things we are going to cover as a part of this course content? I'm going to cover storage account blob storage account data lake Gen 2, Azure SQL database, Synapse Analytics, Data Factory, Databricks PySpark, live streaming analytics, Event Hub, Logic Apps, Azure Active Directory, app registration, keywords, RBACs, access keys, shared access signature, Git repository, Azure DevOps, CI/CD pipelines deployment, Power BI. You just check with any other institution, are they going to cover all the services as a part of the Azure Data Engineering course or not? Okay, so this is our main high level services we are covering inside. If you need more in detail course content, just reach out our executive, so she will share everything whatever you needed. Okay, so now 2 to 5 years of experience when you are going to apply after completion of this. Okay, after completion of this course, you are going to apply for 2 to 5 years of experience job. Okay, so some people are looking for placement assistance. Many people were asking, sir, are you providing any placement assistance for us after completion of this course? Yes, we are offering another kind of program, the people who are looking for the placement assistance. Okay, so in this placement assistance program, we are going to start after 2 weeks of your training starts. For example, from Monday we are going to start the training. So after 2 weeks our placement programs will be start. So what exactly we are going to include inside this placement program? this is again this is again this is again we are going to take a 25 to 30 hours program. The placement assistance program, again it's going to be a 25 to 30 hours duration of the program it is. In this 25 to 30 hours of the duration, we are going to take these sessions only on the weekends. These sessions we are going to take mostly on the weekends only, Saturday and Sunday. So what exactly we are going to discuss in the inside this one? In this 2 weeks of the training, sorry, after 2 weeks, the moment when this placement assistance program starts, I'm going to make every student to be perfect in the scenario based. Whatever the scenarios we are covering in our regular training, apart from that, we are following agile methodology. We divided into sprints. Each sprint contains some tasks, scenario based tasks. Every student whoever enrolled for this program has to complete this 175 scenario based tasks. So once they're completing in all the areas of the course content, different kind of scenarios in real time, then they are going to be, okay, they are going to be attending some mock interviews, and there are going to be some end to end projects also they are going to work on parallelly. So interview questions and answers also we are going to share for them. The moment when they are attending the mock interviews, there is less chances in the live interview because a student in the first 3 to 4 interviews they were losing. The reason because of afraid, nervousness, or lack of experience, whatever it is. So these mock interviews are helping to crack these interviews easily. So our probability of our students they are completing within 4 to 5 interviews only, they are getting the offer letters. Okay. And another interesting point what we are going to do here, the moment when you are applying for a jobs like a 3 to 4 years of experience, your profile has to put at least 3 to 4 projects on the data engineering. So when you compare to other institutions, they will just forward one template for every student. The same thing they are going to provide for every student. They are going to provide the same resume, and they don't know they are going to keep everyone same. Every project in your resume has used by someone, but what we are assisting for every student, the client and the project, what you are going to use only for dedicated to you. It was never repeated by other students. So and also we are going to give some HR emails and job referrals for you to provide assistance program as well. So this is the second program what we are mainly focusing on, the placement assistance. So in this program we are separately charging for this one, whoever is interested. So the cost of this program, you just check with our executive. Okay, you just check with our executive. Her number is 7997457228. We are offering very discounted price only for the placement assistance program separately. This is only for the people who are interested. You can enroll for the second program. This is only dedicated to our institution, and we were not offering outside of the people. Okay, so now coming to this IT industry, nowadays there is very importance for the data engineers, data analysts, and data science. Okay, so if you want to learn any course, data engineering or data analysis or data science, what exactly some pre Okay, I'm sorry. Can you guys able to hear me now? Can you please confirm? Okay, right. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, guys. Perfect. Sorry for this inconvenience. Okay, so what I'm trying to say here, what exactly Azure Data Engineering? I think you have understand about this certification exam DP203 you have to do, and the packages for the Azure Data Engineering, if they are 3 to 4 years of experience in data engineers, 12 to 15 lakhs, and if you are a 7 years experience, if you have, they are giving more than 30 lakhs also. So this is what we discussed, and anybody looking for advanced SQL 20 hours training, advanced Python 25 hours training, this is the amount we are going to charge for only our students, 499 rupees and 699 rupees. Okay, and also these are all the placement assistance program we are offering. So these are all the things we discussed so far. Now I am discussing about what is a Azure Data Engineering. Azure Data Engineering, where exactly we are going to use. I'm just taking one use case scenario. One supermarket in USA, another supermarket in India. Every day the customers will come to the supermarket. Customer 1 and customer 2. So when a customer is coming to the supermarket, this is our supermarkets. This is the customer. There is a billing counters. This is one billing counter. This is another billing counter. This is another billing counter. So this supermarket, when there is a purchase happen, the transactions data will come and store in this backend one database. Every transaction in USA will come and store inside this database. Okay. So this is what happening in my business. If you go to any business, the same kind of setup we can able to see. If you are going to any location, the same kind of setup we can able to see it over here. Okay. Now I'm the owner of these supermarkets. I want to understand a few things about my business. What are the things? Hey, can you tell me top 10 products with highest sales? Top 10 products with the highest sales. Bottom 10 products with the lowest sales. Current year versus previous year sales. Current year versus previous year, what is the sales? These kind of analysis I want to understand from my business data. Where is your business data? You have your business data here, and you have your business data here. But to design these reports, ideally in the currently market, we have so many reporting tools like Power BI, Tableau, ClickView. You can use Excel also to design the reports. Um, I hope all of you are aware of these things. But to design these reports, your data, your business data, whichever you have in different servers, you need to move into one particular place by using some ETL tools. What do you mean by ETL stands for? ETL stands for extracting the business data, applying the transformations, finally loading. ETL stands for extraction, transformation, and loading of the data. ETL stands for extraction, transformation, and loading of the data. Extraction, transformation, and loading of the data. So your entire business data should be coming to one place. Then That data can be used to design the reports. So, as a data engineer, your role is you need to build up a ETL tool to store your data into one centralized location, that is data warehousing. So, what are the ETL tools and what are the storages you are going to use? Those softwares we are going to use completely, whichever offered in Microsoft Azure cloud environment. Okay, as a data engineer, what is your role and responsibilities? A data engineer has to store the data by processing. Okay, by processing means whatever the data you have in your business servers, in this business server, in this business server, that data you need to process it over here. Okay, so Microsoft Azure cloud will provide you these softwares. For what purpose? For data storage and data processing. So you can access the storage and processing related softwares and services from Microsoft data centers remotely. Remotely means somewhere the data centers are located, all the softwares are installed over there, and you can simply browse that by using a web browser through the portal. What is that portal? www.portal.azure.com. Okay, inside this portal, what are the softwares we are going to use for storage purpose? These are the four softwares we are using for storage purpose. These are the services we are going to use for the ETL purpose. Here, Data Factory is one of the ETL, zero coding. Live streaming data, if you want to perform, zero coding. Azure Databricks, you need to write down some basics of Python or PySpark, or you can able to write down the SQL. SQL or PySpark. The both it is going to be supported over here. SQL or PySpark. Azure Databricks is going to be supposed to give SQL or PySpark over here. All right. I'm going to teach in this course complete PySpark from basic to advanced. Here I'm going to cover basic Python as well. Basic Python as well. So these are all the things we are going to discuss as a part of this Azure Data Engineering training. So total two programs. Program one is a complete training. Program Program one is a complete training with all the services. Program two is a placement service we are going to offer it over here. Okay. So in the next session, our regular sessions are going to be start from the Monday onwards. The timing and everything will be informed by our executive. I hope all of you fill that form. If you fill the form, definitely, if you fill the form, you will receive a call from our executive. If anybody wants to speak with me, you just call to that number 7997 457 228, or else you can just download our mobile app or register in our LMS portal. You can chat with me directly. How to log into the LMS portal? Here, just simply goes to the website, this one, click on LMS login, then enter these details, organization code SUFK, give your mobile number. Let me ping this one again. Now if you guys have any questions, you can raise your hands and you can ask the questions. And also, I have written two books as well. You just check with any trainer has written the two books on this Azure Data Engineering. I'm always passionate about this Azure Data Engineering, and completely my focus is always to give a best to the students knowledge on this one. Okay, let's go with your questions. Any questions from anyone? Any questions from anyone? Rani, Pavan, Krishna. This recording video also we will be shared if you fill that form.
Uh, Hello. Hi, this is Ramteja. Hello. Will you able to hear me? Hello.
Yes, Raja, we can hear you. Please go ahead.
Actually, you have
Not able to hear you.
intimated that two types of program will be there.
Yeah, hi Ram. We are not able to your voice.
I think Synapse Analytics were mentioned, right, in the
Yes.
lecture. So how far it is covered, and Power BI, how many hours it will be covered?
Power BI, we are going to take 2 to 3 sessions, just simply how to design the reports, because it is a separate course we are offering,
Mhm.
35 to 40 hours course Power BI. But I'm just giving here the introduction. But Synapse Analytics, it's mostly we are covering everything because it's a combination of Data Factory, Databricks, and Synapse Data Warehousing. All these three individually we are covering. The same thing we are going to presenting in the Synapse Analytics.
Okay,
You don't need to learn
got it.
separately Synapse.
Mhm. And this course is enough for DP 203, right?
100
Oh,
percentage. 100 percentage.
okay. Thank you.
Hi, Ram.
Hi.
What about the certification you mentioned? What will be the charge for that?
That is, you need to pay exam fees, I think around 4,000 to 500, for 4,500, I think.
It's fine. I mean, the classes will be fine for the clearing the examination.
Which one? Classes are, yes, enough. Classes are enough.
Okay, that's fine.
So, all right, guys. So just reach out our executive. Your
Hello, sir.
flexible timings, what you were expecting. Yes, go ahead.
Uh, Sir, I have experience, 2 years of experience in PHP. Then I now want to shift in Azure Data Factory, in Azure Data Engineering. So it's
Okay.
okay for that, sir.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely. It's a good choice only. Okay. If you guys anyone wants
Okay,
to speak with me in offline also about your profile, just call to that number, our office number. They will arrange a call with me. Okay. All right, guys. Let's meet Monday. Okay. Our regular sessions. Thank you.